Good morning guys, and in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer. Now mark more icon and select blocked. Here you can set some call block rules and also message block rules. So let's start with call-in. And now you can either block all incoming calls, so by tapping on this one you will mark all of them as well, but you can also separately set unknown numbers to be blocked or private and withheld numbers. So just mark it here and that's it. Once you go back you can change the rules for messages as well, so just open it here and now you can block all unknown numbers. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.